girl, she get her own tear. In my heart, y'all put no fear. Fuck you, nigga, just to be clear. I'm tired of all of y'all fake misses, acting like you really fuck with me. So you skimming really want my spot. You claim me bully, but I know you not.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Chanel back with another reaction video. So we have attorney orders a hit on her client in jail. Dang, that's deep. How you gonna represent somebody and get them killed in jail? Why you ain't just quit? Right? That's crazy. How you gonna represent them and then order them to get offed? What type of communication is this? Alright. So, while I get this together, you guys, hit that like and subscribe button for me. And then let's go ahead and move to this video. Cause now y'all both about to be in jail together. Ain't that something? I don't even hear anything, y'all. Like, his volume. Oh, that's me.
It now includes all of Output's effects.
I've been doing this since 1982,
That's
and I've never
long.
even heard of this, let alone seen this.
Next, we go to a hearing in Las Vegas, Nevada. The defendant is 38-year-old Alexis Plunkett.
So her
Who
eye.
also happens to be an attorney. She's charged with 2 counts of conspiracy to unlawfully possess a cell phone by a prisoner and 12 counts of possession of a cell phone by a prisoner.
This the attorney? I am not one to judge somebody on looks, but y'all, she don't look like she need to be attorneying anybody. She look wicked. I don't like it. She look like the Wicked Witch of the West. I don't like it. And she cannot represent me at all.
2 years earlier, Plunkett was visiting her client and boyfriend at the time, Andrew Arevalo, at the county jail.
Look,
That's when she broke the...
that's her boyfriend. What did I just say? I just said she don't look like she make good decisions. And look who her boyfriend is. That she representing. How that's even possible? How?
by handing the phone over to Arevalo. This is a felony, and if convicted, Plunkett could be looking at a year in prison. Later, when police examined her phone, they also discovered some texts that would become the focus of a truly bizarre story. Plunkett had written to a group of attorneys that she'd placed hits on Arevalo in every Nevada prison. When one of the attorneys wrote it wasn't funny, Plunkett responded, "I'm not joking." Plunkett's complete 180 regarding Arevalo was because, according to Plunkett, her client had physically abused her. Now, because of the cell phone charge, she appears before Judge Michael Villani, hoping to be released on bond. When the investigating officer, who asked to remain anonymous, takes the stand, he says Plunkett claimed the texts were just a way to let off steam.
Run her with these text messages. She advised you that she was just venting to a group of friends, correct?
Just explained it away as venting again. I told her I didn't quite understand how this was venting.
Right, because don't play with my intelligence. Let's not do that. Let's not play with my intelligence. Baby, this looks bad, okay? This is really bad, and I'm going to need you to really be honest with yourself so you can be honest with me. Because I'm trying to because you going to jail. Okay? You going to jail, but you not about to have me get on the stand and tell this judge you was just venting. I'm not doing that. You're not going to get me and my character assassinated because you just can't take accountability. So, tell the truth. Okay? Tell them why you said it.
The prosecution argues this is more than just venting and asks that Plunkett remain in custody.
Is a danger to the community. And we do have concerns about the way she has been behaving with certain inmates. Something needs to be done about this, Judge. We've asked you to do it.
Then the judge shares his own thoughts on the text.
Wait, y'all, let's read these texts real quick. It says, sorry to interrupt, baby. Talk And you aren't my attorney, so if anyone snitches, I'll lose it. But I've placed hits in every Nevada prison on Andrew with every homie and lifer I know. This girl, so why do you know all these? How do you know all these people? How do you know? Like, what was you doing if you know all these heavy lifers and people in heavy hitters in prison? Like, what were you doing with your life that you know all these folks? Okay. So back to it. This POS will never survive prison now. He's messing with the wrong one. I am not the one. I represent all the Serenos, and he's gonna get it. Delete this. Girl, and then somebody ratted you because there go the messages. Okay, Alexis is not funny. I know you are under a tremendous amount of stress, but I am not interested in joking about felonies. I don't think anyone else either. They tried to save you right there. They tried to save you. They're not interested in joking about felonies. You should have just said, you know what, you're right, I'm tripping. I just thought I was a little ha-ha. Because now your ass going to jail. You should have just kind of said, you right, my bad, too soon, hee-hee-ha-ha. Y'all continue on your day. But nah, this is what you said. I'm not joking. That's why I said delete it. He said he was going to have me murdered, so I'll take care of business first. My life is in danger, and it's not I don't know what that is. I'm not joking. That's what, and I am not a effing joke. I am not effing joking. So if I get killed, you know who it is. And if I do the same to protect my own, then it is what it is. No one has spoken to me. No one knows what I deal with. It's not an effing joke. Alright, she has had it. She done put a hit out on him. It's done. She know all the, what she say? The Serenos. And they gonna get him. For, I don't know why she did it like this in this group chat of 6 people. Because now you got 6 witnesses to this. But alright, girl, get your confession off.
He doesn't use words.
Plunkett, this is bizarre. There's nothing to say. Who in the right mind would send these texts? Like I said, I've been doing this since 1982, and I've never even heard of this, let alone seen this.
He considers his next move.
Right.
In a gang case, and we had the same text, there wouldn't be any hesitation for that person to be in custody.
Ultimately, Plunkett is released on bond. The judge makes it clear this case is moving forward.
That's crazy. She was released on bond. Yeah, I just have a little, bone with the law, okay? Because they let her go. She clearly put a hit out on somebody and they let her go. Meanwhile, I'm just trying to drive. Get a little speeding ticket. Next thing you know, 7 years ain't got license. But she out here know all the hitters that can kill somebody. And just they let her go. See how it worked? This black thing on her eye is really bothering me, y'all. Y'all see me like just looking up and down. It's because it's really bothering me. Because what is that?
Forward, if you have any motions, file them now. This will not be moved.
But before the case gets to trial, Plunkett is arrested again. This time for making threats and intimidating a witness. Plunkett allegedly called a potential witness a snitch over social media. She's back in court, where the prosecution again wants her bond denied and reminds the judge about the threatening texts.
She dangerous. Get her out of there, judge. Lock her down. Lock her down. She done put a hit out on this man in all the prisons. That man can't go nowhere. Then they let her out, y'all. They let her go home. She go home, threaten somebody else. Calls him a snitch. Lock her down. She dangerous. She dangerous. She don't need to be out here with the rest of us common folk trying to just live.
She has said in these texts what she wanted to do. She wanted to have Mr. Arabello killed or beaten down severely. She mentioned who would do it.
This time, Judge Villani agrees.
Mm-hmm.
She's to be held without bail pending trial in this matter.
Plunkett would later strike a deal with prosecutors. She pled guilty to 1 count of possession of a telecommunication device by a prisoner. In exchange, the criminal charge of bribing or intimidating a witness or preventing a person from testifying was dropped. She's sentenced to 3 years probation. The state also recommended that Plunkett be prohibited from practicing law for 5 years and a day. But the Nevada Supreme Court went even further, and she was disbarred from the state of Nevada.
Good, cause like, what you mean? What you mean she can do all these things to break the law and still? Oh, she just can't practice for 5 years. What? Like what? Like. I'm so glad they did that, because, like, what do you mean? If I was purposely doing something to break the law and I was a nurse or something, I'm over here messing up these patients, wouldn't you want me out of there? You want me like, well, you know what? Okay, she might have messed up these patients, but we're going to give her 5 years. She can come back and practice operating on folks. That's crazy. Get her out of there. Get her out of there. I'm glad they disbarred her.
Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam. Subscribe to A&E.
That was wild. She threw away her career and her life. So that's how she knew all those hitters, because she probably helped some of them in their cases. Which, I mean, obviously you lost because they in there. They probably helped set your ass up. You over here setting all these hits out in the prison. Somebody couldn't probably wait to get your name up. Couldn't wait to get your name up. Now you went there with them looking dumb. Looking stupid. But alright, y'all. That concludes this video. If you have not already, hit that like and subscribe button for me. Follow me on all social media platforms. That is she.chanel. And until we meet again, you guys, we are